The magic of World Book Day. Let me tell you a story about stories, about how one special day brings the world together through the magic of books. Imagine holding a key, not an ordinary key, but a magical one, small enough to fit in your pocket, yet powerful enough to unlock endless worlds. With this key, you could be sailing pirate ships at dawn, exploring distant planets by lunchtime, and dancing in a castle ballroom by bedtime. This magical key exists. It's called a book. Now, how did this magical key get its own special day? Our story begins in 1995 in a meeting room at UNESCO. A group of thoughtful people sat together and realized something important. While books might look like simple paper and ink, they're actually so much more. They passports to other lives, time machines to different eras, windows into countless perspectives. One of them said, "We should celebrate this incredible inventions." Another added, "Let's create a day just for books, for everyone around the world." And so, World Book Day was born. But why April 23rd? That's where our story gets especially interesting. This date is like the superstar birthday of literature. It's when two of history's greatest storytellers, William Shakespeare and Miguel de Cervantes, both left this world. It's as if the universe itself was saying, "This is the perfect day to honor stories." Now let me show you what this looks like today. Early morning in London, a little girl carefully puts on round glasses and draws a lightning bolt on her forehead. Her backpack holds a well-loved novel. She's transforming into Harry Potter for World Book Day at school. At the same moment, in a sunny classroom in Spain, a boy practices his best pirate voice. "Yo ho ho," he declares, adjusting his eye patch. He's becoming Captain Hook for his school celebration. Meanwhile, in South Africa, a teacher excitedly unwraps a special delivery, a box of brand new books for her students arriving just in time for World Book Day. The children will each get a chance to choose one to keep forever. All around the world, something extraordinary is happening. Children who've never owned a book are receiving their very first one. Famous authors are visiting schools, watching their imaginary characters come to life as students dress up. Librarians are creating exciting treasure hunts through the bookshelves. Families are gathering in cozy living rooms, discovering new stories together. But why does all this matter? Let me share a secret about books. They're not just for entertainment, they're like superpowers. On Monday, a book might make you laugh until your stomach hurts. By Tuesday, it could teach you how volcanoes work. Come Wednesday, it might help you understand what it feels like to walk in someone else's shoes. And by Thursday, that same book could inspire you to create something brand new. The most beautiful part, World Book Day reminds us that these magical moments belong to everyone. It doesn't matter where you come from, what language you speak, or what your life circumstances are. Stories are meant for sharing. Every time someone opens a book, they're joining this global celebration of imagination. So here's my question for you. Where will your next book take you? Will it be a thrilling jungle adventure, a puzzling mystery to solve? Perhaps you'll travel back in time, or maybe, just maybe, you'll discover something surprising about yourself along the way. That's the wonderful thing about books. You never know what you'll find until you turn the first page. And that's the magic of World Book Day, a day that reminds all of us young and old, that stories connect us, teach us, and help us imagine endless possibilities. So go ahead, pick up a book, share a story, and become part of this worldwide celebration of reading. After all, every story needs readers, and that's where you come in.